ClipChamp, I tell you what, CapCut and all this is nice, but ClipChamp is actually really, really good and it's free. Don't get me wrong, they do have an upgraded version, and basically everything is included in here except 4K and premium filters, but they give you a lot of things free as well. I mean, you can come in here and you can build, look at this, your templates. You can do a lot of stuff right here within ClipChamp. This software is so underrated, and a lot of people don't talk about it enough, in my opinion. There is just so many things you can do with this, and that's what I'm going to show in this video here. So I'm just going to drag a couple of these these pictures I have in another screen, just of a little kitty cat, right? So now I put them in there. Let me drop them in my timeline. I got that one. We got that one. Again, no different than CapCut or any other softwares. You can sit here. You have so many things you can do. Content library. So what do you want to do? You want to hit background? You know, we can throw a background in here. You know, add to my media. It is free. Look at this, free. Text. Look, they have their own textile and stuff right here. Look at this. I mean, you can do a rolling credit if you wanted to. Look at that. You can make shorts and do whatever you want right here. I mean, that's a perfect intro, you know, subscribe, and then you give your story. Something that I really think is really cool with ClipChamp is I put it in my video yesterday, and that is we're going to turn this actually into a little story, just a real quick story. So if you haven't seen my video of running Olama private chat GTP basically on your system, go check out that video. Write a short story of a cat in the rain. All right, so now I got my story from ChatGPT. I'm going to minimize it. I'm going to bring back up my ClipChamp. Now what I'm going to do is up here at the top right-hand corner, you got captions, right? So we can turn anything into captions. But if you go back over to this side, go to your media, go to record and create and text to speech. Okay, we're going to hit text to speech. We're going to paste in what we just did.
The rain came down in soft sheets, drumming lightly on the cobbled streets and turning the...
All right, so now we know what it sounds like. And again, we can make a girl's voice, whatever else. But this AI, there's no 11 Labs where you got to pay a subscription and all that. All this is free, 100% free. So let me go ahead and take that out. We are going to delete the subscribe one. So now we can put this here with our pictures. Again, we don't have enough pictures for this. Now, let's take this one step further. Let's go to captions. We're going to try it now. We can filter out profanity if we want profanity taken out. So now we have it. Look at this. Look how quick this thing is. It is 100% quick. Done. So now it has everything time-stamped and all.
The rain came down in soft sheets, drumming lightly on the cobbled streets.
So as you see, we have our subtitles and everything in here. Now you can continue to edit it in here, and there's things that you can do. You can split it, auto cut. So see, now you can remove filler words. So if there was too many pauses and something that you did that wasn't the AI, there's just so many things. But say you want to actually edit this in another software. Okay, so that caption that we just made, go ahead and download that SRT file, right? So now that I have this, I have my sound and I have my subtitles. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually delete the images. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to export this. Okay, like I said, you can do all your editing in there, but I haven't found everything just for the subtitles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually bring it in here. So we can change it. I'm going to say, don't ask, keep my project, but my project is actually, I'm going to export it 4K in here and do the upscale in here. So again, that SRT file though, that I had, right? We're going to just drop that SRT file in here. So now Whenever I come in here, there it is, right? So now we can go ahead and we can add our images back to this. So now that we have our images back to this, we can play it, but look, the subtitles are not there because the subtitles are behind. So we're gonna bring the subtitles up ahead and look at that. Now we have the subtitles right back in here, right? Now, let's say we wanna take it one step further, right? One step further. Right click on your subtitles, convert to titles. So now it is separated it. So now what we can do is if the voice isn't matching up to your subtitles, you can now stretch it or move it where you want to, or say we want this to be a little different. So we're going to go to the titles. We can change it to blue. We can change different things right here. We can change the font if we want in here. We want to use this font instead, right? So there we go. Again, there's so many things that you can do with the Microsoft ClipChamp, 100%. So don't let everyone tell you that Microsoft is bad and you need to debloat everything out of Microsoft because that is untrue. There is so many good applications within Microsoft that you can use for your daily driving and what you're doing. Say you're just a small content creator, or say you're just wanting to make presentations for school, work, church, wherever you go. You can make presentations and do whatever you want. And again, this is by Microsoft. There's just so many things within this. I mean, look right here. Try it. Record your own voice. Use your microphone, screen, and webcam. You can record from here. You can trim. There's text to speech, which is what I just showed you. There is so many things in here that you can actually do, and it is free, 100% free. Granted, there is some paid stuff in here. I'm not saying that there's not. So we can create AI. What do you want it to, to create? Let's see here. What's the title of your video? Let's do Cat in the Rain. Look at this. It is literally making you a short right here that you can use. So, I mean, you can literally there's so many different features that you can use with ClipChamp right here. I mean, look at this. It done broke it all down. So now that it's broke down for you, now you can go add in your own image. You can add in your own music. You can do your own things. Don't underestimate Microsoft. I'm tired of people dogging Microsoft all the time. Microsoft is not that bad if you know how to use it. Yes, their privacy is where we need to dog Microsoft. Privacy is the biggest concern and the biggest thing that we got to worry about with Microsoft. If this brought you any insight, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and leave a comment. Hit that subscribe button. I will be bringing honest product reviews. I have a lot of honest product reviews. That's all this channel is going to be about is tech and product reviews. I might sway here and there a little bit within the channel, but that's mainly what it is. I got a lot of products that I'm going to be reviewing that a couple of companies sent me out. So, like I said, go ahead and like and subscribe. And I'm Thomas of Tomology. I'll catch you in the next one.